Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm gonna demold. These are the top color that I just did on the knob and around the edges. So it's that. Sorry. It's one of these color change. Yeah, sealed for protection. It's one of those color change nail art foil shreds. I have no idea what it is. I just bought it. It's pretty. Hate that one. This one's a lot easier to pop out. So pretty. I love that. I'm sorry, that was just a little bit of leftover resin. And so was this one. And that was not that misshapen. Oh my goodness. Keep in mind, it's just the bottom, so it doesn't matter, but I have a foam core mold that would help it stay rounder, but like I said, it wasn't like that. Oh my goodness. This really isn't that difficult to demold, I'm sorry. I don't know why it was. Pretty. Love that green color. I know y'all know that, but it's really pretty. Okay, now let's do it the right way. I'll do the bottom first. I love it. Okay, then for the top. Okay, now to get this ball top out, without making a mess on your desk is impossible. This is really pretty. I'm not sure what the cause of that separate, it might have been where I finished pouring, actually. Wow. Oh, turned out so nice. I've had a problem with the last few casts where I evidently got a bubble in the lid here, and I didn't go around first with my silicone tool or something to release the air bubbles, so my fault, but I did it this time and it turned out really nice. Oh, I love it. So there we go. Bye for now.